Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and today's video will be me showing you how I keep my clothes from Shein, Rainbow, Fashion Over, or any other place where the material isn't all that great. I'm going to show you how I keep them looking good. So these pieces that I have, all these actually came from Shein. So you see I have a couple of flannel tops that look good, and hoodies and sweaters with vibrant color. So first you want to make sure that your washer is on delicate. This is going to keep them from going so hard in the paint. Okay, I put it on deep fill for more water and deep rinse if you're using fabric softener. I'm gonna be using OxyClean, some Downy, and I'm gonna be using Arm& and Hammer scent boosters. Y'all, these smell so good. Smell it. You smell it? Now I'm gonna take the fabric softener and the laundry detergent and put that in the places where it's supposed to go. Also, when you're washing clothes from Shein, Rainbow, Temu, or Fashion Nova, be sure to use cold water. You can also use cold water on clothes that's really expensive as well. All right, so with this washing powder, I was down to the nitty gritty. So just put you some water in there, shake it up, and be humble and use all that stuff up. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Then I'm gonna grab my scent boosters and I'm just gonna season my washer real good, y'all. Then we're gonna press start and let the washer do what it do. One thing I love about my washer is I can see the inside of it. I can see the soap suds. I can make sure that my clothes are taking a good bath. And when it's like this, I just lift it up and I just put the load in then. But I love seeing my clothes because y'all know how your parents used to tell you to go take a bath, especially little boys. Take a bath and then they just be standing in the bathroom and then they come out and still be musty. I need to see y'all taking a bath. So my washer is filling back up according to the load size, and look at this. Baby, they taking a good bath. They ain't getting no whooping when they get out of there. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. After your load is done, please hang your clothes up. Don't put them up in a dryer because it's going to mess like the little pictures and the letters up. But this what I do. By the end of the day, they be dry and the clothes smells so good. I enjoyed making this video. See you next time.